So I bought this computer off Facebook Marketplace for £25, which works out about $30, and I have no idea how good it is. So now I've got some kind of i5 in here. So let's see if there's anything decent in here. It's got a CD drive, which just doesn't bode well, but there you go. So let's put in the HDMI cable and see if I can turn this on. Oh, looks like there's nothing there. So something's definitely loose. Let's have a look on the other side. Wow, look at that. Looks like I've got a Windows 10 Pro key. That must be worth at least, what, £5? I mean, maybe we need to give it a bit of a shake test. See how it sounds. Let's do that now. I mean, for £25, I think I got a good chance of making at least some money off this. You know, you can't buy a KFC bucket in the UK for that much, or it'll be around about the same price. So is this going to be as good as a KFC chicken bucket? Let's have a look. Let's crack open this side panel. Are you guys ready? Let's see what's in here. And there's of course no screws in the back, so we've got a short change there. So it looks like we've got a loose graphics card, so that's probably what was making all the banging sound. And yeah, we have ourselves, what is that? I have no idea what this is. It's a gigabyte. It's a GVN210. That is probably worth next to nothing. Not a chicken bucket in there. But yeah, I think this is probably worth something. Must be. I mean, that is a decent clump. 2 clumps looks pretty promising. Actually, I would say that kind of looks like a rabbit or an elephant, a dust elephant. I don't know. Anyway, getting off topic here. So let's see what we got inside. We have a H81M HDS. Bugger, there's no RAM either, so that's another loss. And the power supply is disconnected, and everything is disconnected. So again, it looks like I literally just got a motherboard in here. Let's just have a look at the front. Yeah, there's no drive, literally just the CD drive and a motherboard. So I'm going to get this out and see what is underneath that cooler, and fingers crossed, hopefully it is an i5. Blowing the dust off, it actually looks pretty nice now. Not too bad. Standard cooler, motherboard, maybe worth £20, I guess. Let's get this cooler off and let's see what's underneath. Look at that. That looks pretty caked on there. So that is actually the stock application of thermal paste. So yeah, that has been on there since the day this PC was born. Yeah, I'm gonna get something to just clean that thermal paste off, and we'll have a look together to see what I've got. I hope you're all as ready as I am, because we're about to reveal what is underneath here. So let's have a look. It's like a scratch card, this is. You know, is it gonna be a 13th gen i9? I think it might be. Let's have a look. So it's a 4460 i5, 3.2 gigahertz, not overclockable. So that is literally everything that I've got out of this build. I have a GT210 1GB DDR3 graphics card. For some reason these are going for around about £20, or I'd say around about $25. The motherboard is worth around about between £15 to £30, so I'd call it about 20, and the CPU is worth 10 whole pounds. So yeah, not a huge amount, but again, depends if all that is working. Cooler, probably worth nothing. I'd call that maybe £2. And this CD drive is probably worth nothing as well. Let's see if there's anything in it. Nope, sounds empty to me. And that is probably worth another £5. So yeah, and maybe that CD key is worth £3. So altogether, I think I am around about £60 ish. And we should see if all of this works. So let me get my test bench ready and we'll see if we can turn this on and get it to posts. Okay, she is hot and ready to go. Let's see if this special unit will work or not. I had to connect my CD drive. I mean, it's worth £3, but wouldn't you want to know if it works or not? Might as well find out. So let's see if we get any magic out of this. Just got to find the power button. I think it's this one up here. There we go. We're getting some action here. Look at that. Some spinning fan action. Now when I went to buy this PC, I turned up with a cap and a bit of a puffer jacket, and the guy looked like he would look like he was about to shit his pants. I'm not kidding. He thought I was gonna mug him. There's absolutely no video output whatsoever. Let me check with a different graphics card. I think that'll be £20 gone. Okay, so the GT210 is out, and I put in a 1050. Not a TI, but a 1050, but it's a marked improvement from what was there before. Let's try and turn it on and see what happens. Now we've got fan action again, and let's see if we can get a post. Yeah, still nothing at all. Let me take one of the sticks out and see if that does anything. Okay, so I think at this point I'm actually gonna turn up to this guy's house and scare the crap out of him, because he has lied to me and said it was just a power supply that was broken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tiny BIOS chip here, I'm going to flash it, I'm going to try again and see if I can get it to work. The way I'm going to do that is, if I can find it, where did I put it? Over here, I'm going to be using my BIOS flash tool on my laptop and see if I can get this running. And this is the flash in progress. So let's see if it is successful. And yes, all done. Okay, let's put the BIOS chip back into the motherboard and see what happens. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try this again and see if we get a post. Okay, I think at this point I'm going to have to connect a speaker and check for error codes. See if that gives me anything. Okay, yeah, speaker connected. Let's see what code it gives me. So I thought at this point, let me change the battery and see if that makes any difference. I also took out one of the RAM sticks and hopefully let's see if it will work this time. Let's give it a go. Come on, give me a post. Give me a post. And we have posts. Finally, we have something on screen and it is working. That is really good news. So my graphics card is not faulty. Nothing is faulty here and it is all fixed. So I'm really pleased with that. Although the guy said it was working and clearly it wasn't. So good thing I bloody fixed the thing. You guys aren't going to make me run a benchmark on this, are you? Are you really? Okay, fine. I'll do benchmark and we'll see how it goes. So let's see if we can run some tests on 3D Mark. Your PC is unable to run this test. And it looks like it's the same for all of them, except for this one, storage benchmark. But that's a DLC and I'm really not in the mood to buy that to test this PC. So that's a complete flop as well. So this is Tomb Raider in all of her pixelated glory, running at 720p, lowest settings, and yeah, I mean she is fully pixelated. It does give me this old school vibe of maybe N64 days, possibly. Yeah, and you know, I can kind of dig this. I can play a game with these rubbish graphic settings, and if you look there, we have an average FPS of 18.3. So pretty rubbish. And if you're wondering why I didn't try out any other games, and that's because all the other games didn't work that I tried. CSGO, Call of Duty, Battlefield, nothing. Even Fortnite refused to load. So there you have it. You can only play Tomb Raider on this PC. So should you buy a £25 gaming PC or a chicken bucket? And to be honest, I think the chicken bucket probably wins in this contest, although the resale value of this PC does outweigh £25. So it's your call. If you like this content and you want to see more, let me know, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.